Hey, it's Darryl from Bigfoot Windows and Roofing. And if you haven't already, drop us a follow because we're going to be sharing tons of free tips around hurricane protection and storm prep. That comes down to keeping your family safe when warnings hit and protection from storms and break-ins. We're going to be talking about energy savings, cutting your AC bills while staying comfortable year-round. We've been serving South Florida for years and have helped hundreds of families in your area transform their homes into safe, comfortable fortresses. Our goal as a company is simple. We want to provide safety, security, and peace of mind for South Florida families with a white glove service and communication style you've never experienced from another contractor. And we're not just another contractor. We do both impact windows and roofing, all with one team, one warranty, one job site. You're not dealing with multiple contractors and you're not dealing with chaos. So drop us a follow to see storm prep tips, real installations, before and afters, and how we're protecting South Florida families every single day. And if you want a free quote, just comment quote below in the comments and we'll reach out to you and show you exactly what we can do for your home.